is the brand new M-Class wet dry dust extractor from Dewalt. M-Class extraction is the minimum allowed on Australian building sites, and it covers everything from wood dust all the way through to concrete and cement dust, which contains silica. Now under the deck, you've got 2 canister filters, and being M-Class, they auto-clean themselves while you're vacuuming. And you can suck the debris straight into that big tank, but it does come with a fleece bag to get you started, which is great if you're sucking up nasties, because you can seal it off when you're done for safe disposal. Now this new extractor's got a 1400 watt motor, which turns over 75 litres of air every second. That's 4,500 litres every minute. And the controls are very simple. From left to right, you can control the flow rate. The middle dial adjusts the size of the inlet on the tool you're working with. And the third dial there is the power dial. You can turn it on and off manually with the 1 and 0, or you can turn it to automatic mode, so you can control it with your Tool Connect system. And speaking of Tool Connect, they've also included a Tool Connect remote, which you can turn this vac on and off from remotely, which is great. You can wrap it around your wrist or around the end of that included 4.6 meter hose that saves you walking back and forth to the vac from your tool. That makes this vac compatible with any tool, no matter the brand. They've also included a couple of port adapters as well to make the hose fit to the port on the tool. It's got a really beefy build with high mobility, great for taking on site. You've got that telescoping handle at the top, so you don't have to bend your back when dragging it around. You've also got these huge big casters on the rear and the 360-degree casters on the front, so you can drag it around just about on any surface. It's not just for removing dust, you can remove liquid with this as well. It's got 18.4 litres of liquid capacity and floating bore valves inside those canisters to keep water out of the motor. You've got a nice big beefy handle on the front of the tool, and you can remove that and place it with this optional extra here, which makes the unit compatible with both your T-stack and your Tough System boxes, so you can stack them on top for easy on and off site. In summary, it's a big vac, but it's highly mobile. It's got great airflow and suction, and it's M-Class, and it's at your local Sydney Tools store now. There's also an H-Class version of this same vac with all the same specs coming out later this year, so stay tuned. The Sydney Tools TV, I'll let you know when that's in stores as well. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. You can also get the full specs on this one over at sydneytools.com.au. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.